So at LeTourneau University, we have a graduate program in the School of Engineering and Engineering Technology. And I like to say that students here learn to prepare to lead as an engineer as they put theory into practice. So our students all go through a core curriculum of advanced mathematics, design and analysis of engineering experiments, and a Christian approach to engineering leadership. And so with that graduate core, they work with all of the students in their cohort to build out the foundation in advanced math, experiment, development and design, and leadership as an engineer. And then with that, our students focus on a specific area that they're passionate about, whether that's mechanical engineering, electrical, biomedical, welding engineering, where they go deep into their subject matter and have the opportunity to engage in both advanced education and research. So the graduate program at LeTourneau really gives our students that next level of engineering preparation to solve the most complex problems that are out in industry today. And so they do that, of course, through coursework, and most of our coursework gives you that opportunity to put that knowledge into practice through projects and labs. And so students often in those experiences are working on problems that are similar to industry, or in some cases even a project that's brought directly by industry. So students are really seeing how to connect what they're learning in the classroom to solve real problems. And so our students then are able to go out into industry with that additional level of preparation to contribute in their workplaces. So the LeTourneau graduate program is unique, it's personal. Students have the opportunity to get to know their professors and work closely with a graduate advisor. So for our students who are doing a coursework-based degree, that means they're in a cohort of students. Every week they're in the graduate seminar, learning from industry experts on a wide range of industry and business topics as we really think about that intersection of technology and business and entrepreneurship. And then on the research side, if you're pursuing a thesis, you're working really closely with a graduate advisor, someone who's pouring into you not just on the technical side, but on the personal side as well. And so it's that regular interaction with your graduate advisor that's helping you see how to grow as a researcher, to really investigate and solve a complex technical problem and carry that forward in a way that creates impact. So here at LeTourneau, the difference is really that personal connection with faculty. In addition to that, hands-on focus. We care about the science, but we also want to put it into practice, and so you really get the opportunity to do that here in graduate engineering at LeTourneau. In designing the graduate engineering core curriculum, one of the things that was essential to those on the committee doing that work was that we built a course that was not just an engineering leadership course, but a Christian approach to engineering leadership. And so that's part of the core experience of every student that studies graduate engineering here at LeTourneau. We want to prepare you to be an excellent engineer, no question, but we also want to prepare you to lead within the ethical framework and the perspective and values as a Christian engineer. And so we prepare you to do that through a course that's specifically focused on that topic of how to lead from a Christian perspective in your workplace.